Before I put up the give a little, they told me that I was terminal. They asked me if I wanted to be put in palliative care. So I thought like maybe I'll put it towards like a wedding or something with my partner. It's sort of a life or death situation if I don't get treatment. Time is of the essence. So they've really pushed back the decision making on funding this treatment that we think is going to really help me. But it's just taken them like a week and a bit longer, which isn't actually good enough. I wish I learned how to advocate for myself. You have to be loud. You cannot be isolated or like stuck in your little corner. Like, it's your body and you have to be the one to advocate for it, for sure.